Hey guys, this is Matt with A&M Property Preservation. We're back out here on Stan Graham's job. We're getting started digging the dirt and moving the earth, getting the preparatory section of the job ready so we can lay this block down and build him a beautiful wall in his backyard. That's probably like 20 tons of dirt. It'll probably be 2 dump truck loads. On our footer right now, almost finished with it. We've got our block stacked a little bit back here. We don't want to get too high. We've still got gravel and drainage to add to it. We've got 4-inch corrugated pipe going behind this wall. This is going to keep the wall from hydraulicking. We put in a 57 stone with it. That all keeps this water flowing behind the wall and out, and it keeps that pressure off of the wall.